how to create Microsoft Outlook events from new records in Airtable automatically. So if you have lined up all your event details in Airtable and now you want that using this data, the events should be created automatically into your Outlook account so that you do not have to manually export the data and import it here, then this video is for you. So what will happen? Every time the event details are added here, the events will be created automatically into your Outlook calendar. Want to set this automation for yourself? Well, come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Now to automate this process, I'm going to connect Airtable with the Microsoft Outlook calendar with the Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. And since I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, you can see I'm already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button firstly, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to provide the name something like sync your Airtable events with Outlook calendar automatically. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. I hope all the spellings are correct. I hope everything is looking good. Let me also correct this spelling of Airtable. Alright, it is looking good. Sync your Airtable events with the Outlook calendar automatically. Now click on create and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. And here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, and according to our use case, whenever any new event detail is added in Airtable application, then using this event details automatically create an event in Outlook calendar application. I'm sorry, it should be application. Okay, so that is why I will be searching for this Microsoft Office 365 application where I can select the create event in calendar, this action event. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect to both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new record. Okay, now I am going to click on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and it will ask you the token for the connection. Okay, so directly click on this hyperlink and read the instructions carefully. Okay, so let me tell you what exactly you will have to do. Firstly, you will have to click on this create new token button, then provide a random name. How about I provide the name something like Airtable with Outlook. Okay, I'm providing this particular name, and after providing the name, you will have to select the scopes. Now which scopes you will have to connect here, you will have to select here. Okay, so everything is mentioned in this instruction. Okay, so basically we'll have to select this data record read, data record write, then data record comments read, data records comment write, and then schema based read, schema based write, and lastly the webhook manage. Okay, so let me select the same one by one. Okay, this is schema based. All right, this is the webhook manage. All right, and I think I have selected almost everything. Now finally I am going to select the base, that is all current and the future bases. Okay, now finally I will click on this button and you will see a token will be provided to me, which I have copied, and now I am going to paste the same. This is how one can connect Airtable with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, here you can see it is connected. Now since we are connected, whatever the bases I have created inside my Airtable account have started visible here, and currently I will go with this specific base, that is upcoming events and meetings. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is upcoming meetings, upcoming events and meetings. Okay, in the table also I have a table 1. Okay, well, it has got selected automatically, and now it is asking to select the trigger field. Okay, so basically you will have to select, you will have to create this trigger field. How you can create that field, all the instructions are given here already. Okay, so simply click on the plus icon at the last row of your spreadsheet. Okay, so I have selected the same, then the field name should be created. Okay, as per the instruction, the field name should be created and the field type should be created time. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is created time. All right, so I have selected everything. Date format, well, you can select as per your choice. Time format also you can select as per your choice. Clicking on create field and you will see the field will be created here. Alright, I'll have to wait for that, and yes, it is done. And now when I will come back and here click on this refresh to fetch new items, you will notice that the same field will started visible here. Now as soon as I am going to click on that button, you will notice that Pabbly Connect will automatically fetch the recent data of Airtable. Okay, so let me show you. Currently I have added this data, that is event name is meeting with Mr. Roy. The description is meeting with Mr. Roy regarding the partnership with the Pabbly Connect. I have also provided the start date and the end date of the meeting, and not just the date, I have also specified the timing here, you can notice. And did you notice that both the start date and time and the end date and time is actually in the same format? Okay, well, I have specifically added this kind of format. I will show you why I have added this format, and you can read that this format is all about YYYYMMDD, and here is the timing. Instead of 2:30, I think it should be 3:30 because the meeting should be of at least 1 hour. Okay, so I have added the start date, the end date, the person name is here, the email address is here, and the created time. Okay, these are all the dummy details. Now I am going to click on this button and you will notice that the most recent data from Airtable will be fetched up via Pabbly Connect. Here you can notice we have the start date as 2023 8th of June. Okay, we have the person name, we have the event name, we have the end date, we have the email address, we have the description, we have the created time. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in Airtable and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, every time you are going to add the event details one by one in your Airtable account, the same details will be fetched up via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Yes, it will not work in real time, it will fetch the data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now I am going to create an event into my Outlook calendar using this particular detail. Okay, so I have already selected the application and the action event, and just like I have connected Pabbly Connect and Airtable, now I am going to connect Microsoft Outlook calendar and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so clicking on add new connection, clicking on connect with Microsoft Office 365, and then you will have to provide the access of your Microsoft 365 account. Okay, well, I have already provided this access, so it is directly asking me for the permission, which I have provided already. And you will notice that how the authorization will be successful and how Microsoft Office 365 account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And since we are connected, here you can notice whatever the calendars are available inside my Outlook calendar have started visible here. You can notice I have this calendar, the Pabbly Connect, the United States, the birthdays. Okay, we have several calendars here. Let me show you the same calendars, and now I am going to select this Pabbly Connect calendar because I would like to schedule all the events into the same calendar. Okay, so this is the calendar I have selected. Now it is asking for the subject, content, start date, end date. Okay, well, it is asking for the several details. So from where I'm going to provide these details, you tell me. Remember, we have just captured the data from our previous response, and I am going to map this data. And mapping is very simple. You just need to click on this field and you will find the whole data, the above data here in the drop down. And now I am going to just select the data, asking for the subject. Well, how about I map the name of the event here? Okay, now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, and just in case if I will provide any detail manually here, this detail will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in between mapping and in between providing the values manually. Okay, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Asking for the start time zone. Okay, so I will be searching for the UTC 5:30. Okay, let me select the same. Alright, so here we have UTC 5:30, that is Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Okay, asking for the end date. So again, I will search for the end date only. I have selected the same, and I am repeating this once again that these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Lastly, how about I selected the end timing as well. Enter the number of minutes before the start of the event. Okay, so I will write something like 5 minutes. Okay, before the 5 minutes of the event, the reminders will be sent. Okay, asking for several other details. Well, I'm going to provide the data only into the important fields. Okay, only into the mandatory fields. Okay, so I have provided the same, and let me also search for the email address, and now I am going to click on this button, and you will notice that how the response will be received and how an event will be added here automatically. And here you can see in front of you the event has been created automatically. If I will show you the details, you can notice that this is the same title. Here we have the same description. Here we have the same timing of the meeting, basically the date and time. Okay, so this is how one can now automate the process of event creation directly from the Airtable. For that, you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. Okay, so whenever you will click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.